Pull out the rubber dust cover. Turn left and twist out the stock light. Unplug the electrical connector by pressing the snap joint. Lasfit LA Plus Series Box. Lasfit provides 1-year warranty and 45 days money-back guarantee. The decals with Lasfit logo. Lasfit product manual. LA Plus Series H11 LED bulb. Built-in driver, all-in-one design. The plug is the same as OEM stock plug. Directly plug and play. Connect the power plug. Please turn on low beam to test if the LED bulb works before locking it in place. Align to the housing socket and put the LED bulb into it, then lock it in place. Put the rubber dust cover back on.